Welcome to the e-learning for Sage UBS, on the topic of the GST reporting. The objective of these features are to provide the necessary overview of information, reporting requirements, as well as the mandatory tax return. You may access the GST dashboard via the following menu. The GST dashboard is created to provide the business and the user a one-place overview on their GST position. Sage believes that the overview provided is important for the business to make quick and important decisions. This GST dashboard is an ongoing project and will continue to be enhanced to bring new, important information to the user, therefore always look out for the latest indicators to assist you. Many things are happening in a growing business, and we have made it easy for you to have an overview of receivable positions that you are eligible to claim bad debt relief. These are receivables over 6 months. Likewise, we also keep track of your payable that are above 6 months, as you may receive a claim against you and you will need to reverse your input tax credit as well. Having a clear overview provides you a good platform to make business decisions. The dashboard also provides the important live situation for you to evaluate your current input and output tax position. This should provide you the likely tax payable or tax claimable position at the end of the taxable period. This is important for financial planning, especially cash flow. Having this overview is extremely important, as we are facing different business situations every day and every month, and being informed is one of the best positions to be in. You may also refer to the historical submissions and perform comparative analysis. If there is a significant change in your business, you can monitor the impact on GST to that change, and be prepared for it. Lastly, if everything is going well, you may also directly generate your tax return from the dashboard. The supply listing is a report that can be generated to review all the GST-related transactions. Accessibility to this report is simple, and you may reach it via the following menu. Once initiated, you may apply multiple filters to select what you would like to check. This is extremely useful for review and reconciliation purposes. The GST03 report is the tax return for Malaysia GST. This will need to be done monthly or quarterly, as specified in your GST confirmation from JKDM. Sage has created a simple wizard to guide users step by step to complete the GST03 tax return. You may access this feature via the following menu. In the first few steps, you will need to define the taxable period that you are submitting for. Check the required details to ensure the information is up to date. Thereafter, you will be able to review the totals calculated for each section of the form. These totals are automatically generated from your supply transactions, and, if you require, you may drill down to verify and check via the buttons to the right of the totals. This should provide you with a clear view of your supplies. Should you have a refund position, you may choose to have this amount carried forward to the next taxable period. You may specify this within the wizard as well. Once completed, you may sign off and then choose to print the GST03. This can be easily done via the submission listing, as you can see from the screen. If you are submitting electronically, you can choose to generate the tab file, which is the format in which an electronic submission is required to be done. There you have it. GST tax return is a simple process that anyone can complete. The GST audit file stores required information on all supply, purchases and ledger transactions in the accounting software. This file may be requested by the authorities to review the transactions and cross-check these transactions against the GST03 tax return. This feature is standard in Sage products and can be initiated via the appropriate menu. The important feature of generating the GAF is to provide a date range or filters of the required information, a location to store the GAF file upon generation, and, finally, a selection of the required format, whether in text or XML. It is that simple. Thank you, and have a nice day.